Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Roblox. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be awesome. Okay, let's jump into it. Here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com, and I'm currently logged into my account. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up a drop down menu. From here you want to come down and click onto settings, and that's going to take you to your settings page. So what you're going to want to do is come to the left hand side and click onto the privacy option in this menu. Next, what you're going to do is just scroll down towards the bottom, and what you want to do first is under the communication section, you want to make sure all these boxes here are set to no one. So if they're set to everyone, you're going to appear online, and of course people can message you and chat with you and things like that. So what you want to do first is make sure all of these boxes are set to no one. Next, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down a bit further, and you've got a section here called Other Settings. And again, what you want to do is change all three of these boxes to no one. So just click onto the drop down boxes, click onto no one, and every time you do this, it is going to save your settings. And once you've gone ahead and changed all of those settings, you will now appear offline, and you'll be able to play solo without anyone joining your games or being able to chat to you. So that's it guys, that is how to go ahead and appear offline on Roblox. I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you could leave us a like and hit the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And if you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comments button. You can leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.